Okay, we're going to preheat our stove per the manual. Okay, it means we're looking at this and it says 300 to 500 C for 10 minutes. So we're going to do 300 for 10 minutes and then go up to 500 for 10 minutes and see where we are there. So turn it on and let's see what we have here. Let's get it to the correct temperature and I'll come right back. Okay, what we're waiting for here is we're waiting for the oven to come up to temperature. So once that top one, which is in an orangey red kind of color, reaches 300, then we will set a timer for 10 minutes. And then we're going to bump it up and set it for another 10 minutes. That's so our crucible at the top here does not crack. Okay, so we don't want it to crack, so we preheat it, and this is the preheat temperature. Okay, as we can see that we reached a temperature of 320, but it's going down so it can keep maintaining right there at 300. So let's start our 10 minutes. Alexa, start timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
And we'll wait. This is for small pours, and again our aluminum and other little scraps and stuff we got, we will be putting everything in bars. Has a slight little smell, but it's not bad at all. So I guess it's burning off the impurities in there, and then the smell is dying down. But we'll come back when this 10 minutes is over. That sound means it's been 10 minutes at 300. So let's bump it up to 500. Alexa, stop. Okay, now let's set it, and we're going to go up to 500. There, 500, and hit the red button here. That sets it, and it should start climbing. And there's light. You hear the noise. That means it's going to start heating as the temperature rises. Let's see. Should be going up. Well, I know this thing is really well heated. Let's see. I feel the heat at the top of there. And we'll come back when it sets time. As soon as it reaches 500, when we come back, we'll set the timer and let it run for 10 minutes. And that's according to the book here. Right here. 3 to 500 for 10 minutes before using. So, and that says the graphite grain breaks after using once. So that's why we're preheating it, and that's the reason why we're waiting for that temperature go up. And it just went up 1, there goes 7, so it's going up right now. Okay, so we'll come back when it reaches temperature. Okay, we've ran this for 10 minutes. Alexa is going off. Let me know it's past 10 minutes. Alexa, stop. And now we're going to melt down some aluminum. That aluminum, put it in that inglet. Maybe I'll do 2 inglets, you know. So when we come back, we'll see our pour. We only have to go up 100. And it is not red hot. Let's see here. Well, like I said, at much temperature, it's not even red hot, but that's good. So we'll go up, and as you see, we're doing this on the dining room table. This thing is pretty safe. Still got to be careful though. So we're going to go up to 600. As a matter of fact, we're going to go past 600 because if you notice, this says 495 and it wants to, and it's right at 500. It should be. So let's do this again. Hit set, and then we're going to go up to 660. That's 600, and there's 50, and that's 60, and I'm going to go to 5, and we're going to set it right there. That should bring us right up to temperature because, like I said, it's pretty low. So when that reaches temperature, we're going to load the crucible with some aluminum and melt it down. I'm going to get another one of our molds and set it. Alright. Okay, and we'll come back and see if that's melted and make a pour. And look like we do got some liquid in here. So we're going to pour a little bit more. And let's see. You hear that sound? We'll pick those up later. Don't want to touch the stove. Oh, that's enough. Okay. See how much is in there. Bring this back down. Oh yeah, we're cooking now. definitely hot. Can't do too big pieces. Okay. Oop. That one's too big. Let's get the rest of us in here. This is good pour. It is quite hot. My opinion, graphite does way more, the iron smoke more, but that's good. So good job. Okay, I was having trouble with getting these out of there. After the first use, they should have came right out of it, but I'm still having trouble. This is a graphite, more graphite. That's an iron. Let's see how this comes out, because it's still quite hot. Ah, see, that's how it's supposed to come out of there, but, well, you got a nice one. We're going to cool that off. Let's see if we can get it over to the sink. Woo! Told you it was quite hot. And this one, it shouldn't be hot. Doesn't want to come out of there. So, we got to see some tricks to get these out of there smoothly. See how it turned out. Alright, that was the first pour. And we did it in the kitchen, well, the dining room table, but we won't be doing that next time. We'll be doing that outside. Let all this stuff cool down naturally. And we keep our slag because we'll redo it, even though it's mostly carbon. But we keep that. Alright. That's a wrap. Let's give us one look at the oven cooling down. And look at it. That's going to be a while. I don't want it to crack, so let it cool down slowly. Alright.